a bit confused right now because there are actually some people here. I didn't thought of that, but I think that means it's chill to be here. Not like the other location. Okay, it's so fucking cold. And there is security. I think we saw one, but we need to try to get in from behind here to hope that there are no cameras. There are actually no graffitis here. Okay, we made it down here. Let's try this. Ah. To look if there's a car or person. Was? Wo?
Da ist da mal nicht da drauf langlaufen.
Wo?
Guck mal da.
Ja?
Und jetzt gehen wir ein bisschen weiter vor. Da auf die Straße.
Wir müssen uns beeilen, ja, sonst sieht uns jemand. Geh du das nächste Tor? Geh du die nächste Tür? Ist offen?
Auf dem Schild.
Hä?
Vor Eintritt des Gebäudes legitimieren oder anmelden.
Ja, weil das vom Fishing Sam ist.
Das ist noch.
Ja. Da kommen welche. Wir müssen weiter. Die haben uns so gesehen. Nicht rennen, nicht rennen. Okay, oh, schon wieder.
Alter, wenn ich hier verliere.
And yeah, this is one of the first halls. We're in the middle of nowhere. Like here's only a small village. And they built the biggest furniture discounter here that we have in this area. Yeah, it's pretty insane, a big area here. I think we will try first to get into the big one and then like search the smaller ones here. Oh, it's so cold. Yeah, this is all from a fence probably. There's light, maybe go there. They're probably already destroying it here. I know if they wanna rebuild something here. But yeah, I think it was... Oh, what is this floor? Is that it's carpet. Yeah. So they maybe had also furniture here and you could walk through here. Maybe I find some images from when it was used. So I can put them in the video. Oh, this looks so cool. This is insane.
Wow.
But nice graffiti here. Good art. And this thing. Like I know to the Americans watching, this is like maybe a normal exploration in America because there's so many abandoned malls. But here in Germany you don't have this. Yeah, this looks so cool. And these lights here.
Yeah. That's a hero.
Yeah. Oh God! Be cautious. But this floor was weird. I hope there's no downstairs to this. This is nice. Like this carpet here. You can really see that they probably put some things here in the middle to display. And you could walk through here. Oh, I'm so cold. The camera is probably shaking way too much, so sorry. Oh, it's way too much light. And I'm shaking way too much. Ah, but maybe I have the wrong lens on it. So maybe it can't even do this. Yeah, let's look here. Okay. this? This looks like the restrooms. Yeah, this is probably the restrooms here. And we are back here. But what was this here? Was this the second entrance or something like that? Because it looks like an entrance here. But there's nothing. There's literally a field there. Where does people come from? They probably have so much mold in them. Okay, let's try to get in a big area. I think we can go through there where we will, and then we're on the other side. It's a satellite station on top. This is probably still used for mobile phone access. So much spray cans here. Okay, let's try to go in there. These are only small rooms here. Yeah. Whoa, oh, this is the gas tank? This could be a gas tank. Yo. These pipes look good. Still a good color in it. Yeah, it's probably gas. Big tank. Rungs. And what is this?
Why the fuck are here so much wheels?
Yeah, I don't know. But there's so much, look at there's so many buildings, and around here is the big building. So I wouldn't walk on top of here if there's only like, this is the big side. Is there an entrance? It doesn't look like it. Maybe we need to go back. But yeah, we can walk around, yeah. I wanna take a picture from the front door. Seen so many videos of like exploring a mall, and I thought I would never find something like this in Germany, because we don't have this here, but we have this, and this is nearly as good. Oh, this is trashed. Everything is full of trash, but you can go in there. Let's try. Oh, it smells. This is why it smells, probably. I think this is oil. Yeah. You can smell the oil here. Oh, this is bad. Oh, we need your flashlight. Wait. Oh, I can't. It smells so bad in here. Yo! Yo, this is the elevator. Okay, maybe I have the flashlight here for the camera. Yeah. Is it full?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, let's not first go there, because there it goes in. Let's first look here. Psh. Yo! That's the echo! How insane!
What the fuck? Oh, wait,
I've never heard something like this. The echo is really insane. The carpet here. Be cautious for the floor. Oh, I should have brought a mask, because here maybe there's mold in here. We don't know. And asbestos. But I actually never explored a abandoned place with like the whole floor being carpet. Really, the echo in this direction is insane. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's the machines. Yo. Look in here. Oh, it's sharp. But oh, this is a weapon. Oh. But yeah, already a couple of these have been here, of course. Okay, this is also for the heating. Like when you see the big halls, you know why they need so much heating in here. This is especially in the winter, not cheap. The restrooms. Yeah. It smells still bad in here. But it's just oil, I think. I hope. Yeah, these are the same restrooms. Where does all this come from? Oh. So much. Oh. Heat protection wool. Yeah, they needed much of it. Otherwise it would be way too costly to heat this thing up here. There are big rooms here. Okay, where are we now? These are the back rooms here. Okay, this is for the electricity. I think it's electricity, but it's been all taken out. Because I don't think any security cares here anymore. Oh, floor tiles. This is not a real floor, they put these above. Yeah, then let's go back. Okay, it's also only trashed here, I think. Yeah, it's nothing here.
Door from a car.
Okay, and this is the elevator, but the other side is the big hall. But is it... yeah, this is the elevator. But I don't know if you can still step on it. Yo! This is where all the heat comes from. What is this on the floor here?
I don't know.
Could... Hey, it's snow because it's snowing. Oh! Yo! Wanna look?
Yo!
You can climb up there.
Yeah.
I think we will see it from above.
Yeah.
Once we get there. Oh! Three big machines still here. This looks cool. Opa. I don't know if we can breathe here. Like that looks like not good air. Look at these are like pillows or something like that, but with spores. The air did not look good in there. I really should have brought a mask for respiration. Okay, we need to try to step here. But do you even think this would open? Okay, I think it's safe. Like, under us goes not that far, but above us.
Yeah.
No. But you can see in there. You can't open this, I think. Up. No. Let's go up. No. Okay. Yeah, we need to go back out. This is the big main building here. I think it has three... how do you say it? Oh, they also put an entrance here. Oh, they cut it open. They cut it open. I don't know if we should go through here.
Yeah, but...
We can climb back there. Oh, here. Like, look at this. I think this is probably the easiest one. Let's go there and then back here. I think this is probably the easiest. Oh, look, they put... how do you say? These strip wires there. So no one climbs up there.
Yeah.
Insane, but it looks so crazy. Like, this is probably the easiest entrance. What is this? They even put a chair here. Oh, and you can even step here. Come in. Yeah, nice. Look at this.
And with the carpet floor.
And the snow falling. Look at this. The snow is just falling exactly here.
Beautiful.
Like standing here, but in the snow. insane. Okay, we fix the lens. Maybe that's... Oh, you need to go up through these, right? Oh no, there are normal stairs there. But this looks also very cool. What do we want to do first? Clear everything here? Like walk around here first and then go one up? It just smells like old carpet. But better than in there. What do you want to buy here? Walking exactly on the floor where the people walked before here. Oh, I should maybe take out the light, yeah. This is where I wanted to climb in first. Oh, look at this floor. I think there was probably also kids areas where they could play. Maybe. Yeah, but it's pretty destroyed, but still very cool that you have still these taters here on the ceiling. Oh, look! Someone probably drove their car in here. Yeah, they drifted, look! They drifted around here. These are from drifting. And still the mirrors. Fuck, I should wear something when there are so many mirrors here. Oh, this would be a straight face reveal. Let's look here. Oh, insane how big this is. Oh, they smashed everything. Also another restroom here. Oh, but this is a bit different. This could also be showers, but why do they have showers in here? Oh, and I smell this thing again. Oh, it smells in there. Oh. I tried to open it and yeah, I couldn't. Oh yeah, here are some drips from the ceiling. Oh yeah, it's wet here. But from where? Where? Oh, look at this. Oh, and here it is really wet. Okay, here's another area. I don't know. I like how they put the wood here. Oh, it's probably, the air in here is probably really bad for our lungs, but okay, it's the same like the other side. Oh. Let's look there and then go up. I definitely threw some parties here. Okay. So nothing here. It doesn't? I think it looks pretty safe. I like these. Yeah, they're safe. It's steel, so there won't be happening anything here. Like, look at how it is falling down there. That's just beautiful. Yo. Want to take? You have your phone with you, right? Yeah. I want to take a picture or video. Phone. Oh, there's another area. Like, look, this door there. There maybe goes in another area. There are stairs. Oh, look at this. I don't want to step on here, maybe, but I think it's pretty safe. But still, just looks cool. It's like magical. Oh.
Nur im Notfall öffnen.
Huh? Did you saw stairs down there? Let's go down. I didn't saw any stairs. Oh, it was the entrance. Okay, these are safer stairs. We can note these if we want to go up. And it's probably the same on the other side. There are probably 2 entrances. Okay. Maybe we can even go on top. This would be insane.
Yeah.
Like, there's already been people on top because you can see the sprays up there. Probably with a ladder. What is this barred? Yeah, some people really have talent for this. Just looks insane. Oh, it's getting wet again. Wow. This is also the... Yeah, we can go in there because it was... Wait, it's really wet there, I think. Is something back there? Oh, it's really snowing outside now. Okay, now there's nothing here. Yeah, but I want to go up there. It is safe, I think. And yo, they have 3 staircases, but we also didn't saw one down there.
No, but we rented this.
Oh, was this the door that was closed? Oh, the door to the outside is open. Is it really? What is this? What is this?
Look like airsoft.
Oh yeah, maybe they played airsoft in here. This is also a nice location for airsoft. Is it open?
Yeah, it's open.
But this is also a great entrance here. Okay. Do you want to go up here or up in the middle?
I don't know, but I think here.
Hey! Here? Not there? This is the same. It's also a staircase. They are on 3 sides, they have the staircases. Yeah, there's so much of these here. But in different colors, I thought airsoft was only like white. Now we're at the top.
I know that the paranormal.
Yo, this looks unreal. Now we can explore the top. Also nothing. There's nothing but there. But yeah, I think it will get wet here. Yo, look how much it is here. They played so much airsoft here. It's like glowing. Like little stars here. Oh god! Oh, this is wet. It will get even more wet there. But what is this here? Oh, this looks disgusting. But I need to check it out. Right. Who is this from? Oh, now we're on the top from the air conditioning. Okay. Yeah, it's dripping from up there. It's spilling all over the place. I think I've never walked on wet carpet. Look here, I think here they try to go up. Definitely.
Yeah.
But this looks not safe what they've built here.
I think it's really difficult.
Oh no, I think they use this one to climb up. But I think going down is also very hard. I don't know. If this is really safe, it's easy to go up. They say if this holds. Oh, halla.
Hey.
Hold it, yeah. Oh god, nah. I don't think I want to do this. If this thing slips, I will fall down.
This is safe.
I'm holding here.
Whoa.
Now you need to use it like a rope.
No.
Okay. Okay, so no.
Can try on the
Nah, I think this is probably the best here. Yep, we can go fastly there. I know we've only seen like half of the place. Yeah, many more buildings. It's even harder here. Okay, so I would say we go down where we just were, all the way down, and then maybe we can go into the other buildings there. But this was the main building. Really nice. Where do you want to? Do you want to walk back there or in the front?
I want to walk in front, but I don't know if there are some people who busting us.
Okay, so is the orange car still there or what?
Yeah.
Okay, nah, then let's walk in the back. We can go this down there. Yeah, we saw this car parking there. It was not there in the beginning, but we actually need to go there where the car is. Or we can maybe go in from the back. Wanna walk directly there and like look, or go from the back?
From the back is safer.
Okay, then let's go from the back. You can really see it's in the middle of nowhere. Like actually, it's nothing here. Not one house. Crazy. Okay, now. Okay, these houses are pretty empty. Also full with carpet. This one here. I just want to look in here. Okay, the same. Yeah. Oh, didn't even saw that first time. Okay, right around the corner there's the car, right? Okay. Okay, yeah, right, this was the hall that we already saw. Oh, there's a barricade between us. Oh, good. Very good. Okay, I want to look here first. Okay, all the same house here. Many of them. But now I want to go in there, the big hall.
Through this hole or?
Huh? Oh, right, there's a hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can try. They could hear us now. What is this? Oh, it all came down here. Oh, but I can still see the lights. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You can't go there, but we can still see what's in here. think he drove away. Okay.
What is this?
Huh?
What's this?
This is also another hall here, maybe.
Yeah. Alright.
But yeah, look at this here. Yeah, must have been many copper thieves. It is worth something when you're a copper thief and steal all of this. It is so many. Must think of someone must have sat here for like 2 days, slept also in here and just ripped everything out. Okay, I think this one is closed. Maybe not, I don't know. I think it's closed. Okay. Okay, back out or in the other building there?
Back out.
It's the recording, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, there's no door here. I thought.
Hey, don't front.
Yeah.
Oh. I think, yeah.
Yeah, okay, it's open. Pretty easy. And what is here? But I think it's just another entrance, maybe. Oh, he's driving to the garage.
Maybe.
I hope he's not driving then back up here. Then we are trapped. Yo! Yo! Look at this. How much? Oh, it smells bad. It smells really bad. Yo, this is insane. Oh, what the fuck? Now this is the big horse.